Have you ever learned an English word, used it once, and completely forgotten it the next day? Well, you're not alone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to remember English words forever. So you don't need to struggle with forgetting vocabulary ever again. I'm gonna give you a step-by-step strategy to memorize and retain new English words in a way that it sticks forever. This video is not about boring memorization or endless word lists, just effective techniques. Before we start, comment below, what's the English word you always forget? Let's fix that today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more learning tips. Our brain forgets information naturally if we don't review it. This is called forgetting curve. Have you heard about it before? But don't worry, if you review the words strategically, you will beat this curve. If you noticed, memorizing words from a list doesn't work anymore because our brain needs the context. In another way, I have to say, if you don't use a word in real life situations, it will disappear from your mind, from your brain, easily. Instead of just memorizing random words with no special purpose, just try to learn them in full sentences. Let me give you an example. Instead of learning procrastinate, which is an important word in English language, you have to learn, I always procrastinate when I have to do my homework. Now, it connects to a real life situation and you're gonna remember the word more easily the next time you're going to use it. When you give the word a meaning and you connect it to a real life situation, especially your life, it will connect to your brain naturally and easily. So, maybe there is a question in your mind now. Comment, where can I find contextual words? Well, of course, you can read books, articles, watch movies, and listen to podcasts. And there are different applications out there that you can use them for this specific purpose. Step 2. Use spaced repetition. Reviewing words at a specific time interval helps lock them into your long-term memory. This is a special technique you can use. Day 1, learn a new word. Day 2, review it. Day 4, review the word again. And day 7, day 14, and day 30, keep reviewing until it sticks to your mind. Step 3, speak the words out loud. Maybe it sounds strange to you, but your brain will remember things easily if you speak them out loud. Let me give you a practical practice here. Choose 5 words every day and try to use them in different sentences. But speak those sentences out loud so it sticks to your brain better. As always, you can talk to yourself or record your voice so you have something to go back and check them again. Instead of just memorizing the word fascinating, use it in a real life situation. If you're reading a book, take that book and say, oh my god, this book is fascinating. I can't stop reading it. Step 4. Connect words to emotions and stories. I'm sure that we remember emotional experiences much better than the neutral one. If you're learning the word thrilled, just think of a time that you were really excited. Like, I was thrilled, I was excited when I got that job. Turn the new words into many stories in your head. You can write them down, and by this you can practice your writing and speaking as well. Step 5. Test yourself daily. If you test your learning process regularly, it forces your brain to actively recall the vocabulary you just learned. And when your brain is challenged to remember something new, it's the time when that thing sticks into your mind and it's locked in there. Let me give you some ways to test yourself and to challenge your brain. When you're reviewing the word, cover the definition and try to remember the definition by yourself. Use the word in a sentence without looking. Make flashcards with only the word on it and try to remember its meaning or its definition. Now you just learned 5 powerful steps to remember English words forever.